Rolls Royce. The name alone conjures images of ultimate luxury, effortless power, and a certain Britishness. Now imagine all that, but with a silent electric heart. That's the Rolls Royce Spectre 2025. This isn't just a new car, it's a statement. A bold leap into the future of luxury motoring. Forget your Teslas, this is the real deal. The Spectre is a car for those who demand the very best and aren't afraid to embrace change. And what a change it is. This isn't some eco-warrior's hatchback, this is a proper Rolls Royce. It's big, it's brash, and it's bloody brilliant. Let's get down to brass tacks, shall we? The Spectre is built by Rolls Royce, obviously. It's a two-door, four-seat coupe. No surprises there then. It made its grand debut in 2023 and shares its platform with the Phantom and Cullinan. And the price? If you have to ask, you can't afford it. But let's just say it starts north of $400,000. Now, for the juicy bits. This is where the magic happens, where engineering meets art, and where performance is not just a number, but an experience. This electric beast packs a punch. It's not just about getting from point A to point B, it's about how you get there. The acceleration is smooth yet exhilarating, making every drive an adventure. We're talking 2 electric motors, one for each axle. This dual motor setup ensures that power is distributed evenly, giving you unparalleled control and stability, no matter the driving conditions. That means it's all-wheel drive. Whether you're navigating through city streets or tackling rugged terrains, this car adapts effortlessly, providing you with a seamless driving experience. Power? A mind-boggling 577 horsepower. This isn't just a number, it's a testament to the engineering prowess that goes into making this car a true powerhouse. Torque? A tarmac shredding 664 pound-feet. This immense torque ensures that you have the power to conquer any road, anytime. That'll get your monocle spinning. It's not just about raw power, it's about the finesse with which this power is delivered, making every drive a luxurious experience. 0 to 60, a mere 4.4 seconds. This kind of acceleration is usually reserved for sports cars, but here it's wrapped in a package of luxury and comfort. Not bad for a car that weighs as much as a small moon. Despite its size, it moves with the grace and agility of a much smaller vehicle, thanks to its advanced engineering. Top speed is electronically limited to 155 miles per hour. This ensures that you have all the speed you need, while still maintaining safety and control. But who needs to go faster when you're being chauffeured? The back seat is a sanctuary of comfort, making every journey a relaxing experience. The battery is a massive 120 kilowatt-hour unit. This ensures that you have the range to go the distance, without constantly worrying about recharging. Range? Expect around 320 miles on a single charge. This means you can embark on long journeys with confidence, knowing that your car can keep up with your adventures. And when you do need to juice up, fast charging gets you back on the road quickly. In just a short amount of time, you'll be ready to continue your journey, making long waits a thing of the past.